ब्रह्मा जी के लिए अर्पित कर दिया।
The centre has prepared model bylaws to enable primary agriculture credit societies (PACS) to diversify from their core business and undertake several activities and services. Addressing a program to mark the 100th International Day of Cooperatives in New Delhi today, Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah said the model bylaws have been shared with the states for their comments. He said the model bylaws are intended to make PACS multi-purpose and multidimensional. The minister added that the government is also working on setting up a cooperation university and developing a database of cooperatives. The minister said that cooperatives in India have done a remarkable work in the last 100 years and urged all cooperatives to resolve to do even better in the coming 100 years. He expressed pride that despite challenges, the cooperative movement in the nation has gone from strength to strength.